Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to change line colors in Canva. So let's start. This is my Canva, and here just click on the elements and search here the line. So just write here the line and enter, and you can see here the different lines available. Just click on the any one to insert in your Canva template. Okay, so here one line is inserted. Now just click on that line. When you click on it, you can see here some options showing. Okay, just click on the first option to line color and select the color those you want. Okay, you can see the red color is showing on here. If you want to change and select the more color, you can see the drag below. There are different color also available. You can select and change accordingly. Okay, if you want to increase the thickness, just click on this line style, and here you can see the thickness option. Just click on it and you can see the line thickness is increases. Okay, so that's it. Hope you understand. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.